Okay guys, today I've got a less than 1 year old Amana, which is built by Whirlpool, electric dryer. Now it has several timed heating options here: high heat, low heat. It's got the cool down, the anti-wrinkle, delicates, and then air dry. So it's just about got it all. Still in like new condition. There are a couple little spots that I'm gonna touch up. So once I've done touched it up, it will be essentially like new again. And I'm going to show you real quick. I've got a load of clothes in here. Nice wet clothes from a washer we just got through testing. You can hit go there and let you hear it. As you can see, it sounds great. Nice, stable. No weird noises or not hopping around, anything like that. All things you'd want to check for, but like I said, this one's still basically brand new. But I still go through, still gets the same 22-point inspection. I go through, clean everything out. Wasn't much to clean, but I do it anyway. Check all the electrical components, everything gets checked on it. And I'm going to show you real quick with my surface temperature gun that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So whatever I shoot between those two red dots, it's going to measure that surface temperature. So let's see here. We'll open this up. Right inside the heating element tube. See, it's nice and hot there. And the heat actually comes out of that tube. The heating element is kind of located down here in the back. So the heat comes out, and then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 up to about 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting up there set at. So let's hit go. And that's it on this guy. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.